great.
Mama, there's gum stuck in my hair.
I just pushed Lucy down the stairs.
She's bleeding.
Mama, where did I come from?
Better ask your daddy that when he gets home.
Mama, I don't wanna die.
Well, you should have thought of that before you broke my lamb.
I smell a little bit of poopy in the van.
Sarah, move, get your butts in the Durango.
Daddy will be home late. Better fix a hot plate now.
Fettuccine,
Ravioli, ravioli,
fettuccine Alfredo.
Magnifico.
I'm just a poor boy, can I have some money, please?
What do I look like? Money doesn't grow on trees. Maybe if you'd ever pick up your things.
Party at Stevie's house, will you let me go?
Just shoot